Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions so iOS can deliver alerts. Open Settings, tap Notifications, find Discord and make sure Allow Notifications, Sounds, and Banners are on. Once done, jump into Discord's user settings and verify in-app notification toggles are enabled for messages, DM, and server pushes. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't active. These silently block alerts. Finally, quit the app and restart your iPhone so any recent changes take full effect before continuing. Once the basics are set, inspect per server and channel controls because they often override global settings. You open a server, tap its name, choose Notifications, and select all messages or only mentions as needed. Then check specific channels for mutes or suppression. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for Discord in iOS settings so pushes register. Also update Discord in the App Store. An outdated client can break pushes. If you use a focus schedule, add Discord to allowed apps so notifications pass through. To finish, sign out of Discord and sign back in to renew push tokens. If that fails, delete and reinstall the app to request fresh permissions. If notifications still fail, reset iOS network settings, which can resolve APNs or connectivity issues. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. As a decisive troubleshooting tip, test Discord on another iOS device or with a different account to determine whether the problem is account-side or device-side. If account-related, contact Discord support with logs and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.